Alright, so anywho, this is my 66 Mustang. I had it for several years in the garage, but I've been busy doing so many other things. I just retired about a month ago. That's the top, the donut top, which is gonna go up here. Yeah. This used to be black vinyl, but it was all rotted out, so we just took it out. I just took it out inside. Yep. Hello. It's a 6-cylinder straight line. Not that much rust. Guy had it in the garage. Some rust in there. Original red. Right there. So it's gonna need not bad, you know, closes. See what it looks like in here. If you had a lock there or something. Pin's pulling away. It's 4 bolts, all drums. I might change them, I don't know. But that's what it looks like. First thing I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna put this top up here, but I gotta take all this out. I gotta take some of that out. Over here, take it out, cut over here, weld. That's gonna be on the next video. Oh, one thing, I have no clue what I'm doing. I have never, ever. I've done some body work and some stuff on a car, not this particular one, obviously, but I never done something like this, just a big ass restoration, you know? So if anybody has any comments, ideas, what I could do, what should I do, what shouldn't I do, I would appreciate it. Like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing. The only thing I go by is by what I read and study from other videos and what other people have done. So I'm learning from their experience, their mistakes, and their expertise. So this is one video of many to come. And like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try. What could possibly go wrong?